Hey my love, so let's recreate this beautiful updo hairstyle I saw on Pinterest. Like, it's an easy, quick updo hairstyle. You can easily pull it out. You can easily make this within few minutes. You're done, and yeah, ignore those white stuff on my hair. It's hair cream. Okay, now to do your updo hairstyle, make sure the hair you're working with is properly detangled. The first thing I did was to comb back my hair. I didn't show that I've already combed this hair before, and then I sectioned this part out, right, and then comb make sure this part is properly combed. And as you can see, the pattern, my pattern is not even straight. I don't mind because this is one challenge I have. I don't know how to part my hair straight, but yeah, we'll still keep going. Okay, so, part your hair as straight as you can. Okay, even if it is not straight, it won't show in the style also because you're gonna cover up when you pack your updo. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead to apply my edge control to make sure that all the hairs are together. Went in with my comb and then comb out my hair, apply more gel on my front hairline, and yeah, I feel this style is a very quick, easy hairstyle you can do, right? I know you've not seen this style before, yeah, and I said I should show you. Oh yeah, tell me thank you, Nicole, my boss. Like, it's very simple to recreate. When I saw it, I said, yep, this should be a very quick style to do. And yeah, I think I achieved this within few minutes, like 5 minutes. I'm done. Let's call this a 5 minutes hair, a 5 minutes updo hairstyle. Yeah, for your short natural hair. Okay, so I went ahead to weave, quickly weave the way you can. I wasn't even worried if the weaving is neat or not. I shall weave the hair, right? While I'm weaving the hair, pushing the front part so that everything will slick down properly. Okay, so just quickly do this weaving the way you can. Okay, I know it's not easy weaving your own hair. For me, it's not easy, but for some people, it's quite easy for them. But yeah, it's not really easy for me weaving my hair. But yeah, since it's just two weaving at the front, I don't think it will stress me much. So yeah, I went ahead to make sure I did a tight braid in the front. Okay, and pattern not straight. Don't worry, it's gonna cover up. Yeah. So, still trying quickly weave this part, right? And I'm done with this section of my front hair. It's still the same process in the other parts, right? Go ahead and weave the other part, and this is what you have, right? So yeah, we did it, and then the next thing I did was to grab this rubber band and then pack this one up, section it, this section, no, pull it, tight it, and then pull it to the position you want it to be. Very easy updo hairstyle. Then get your comb and fluff out the hair so that the hair will be seated properly. Fluff it out, just use your hand and just arrange the hair and you're done. And you see that cute smile? Now this is the hair we copied and this is me. I'm trying to mimic the way she smiles and I think she's cute. Isn't she? Yeah, I'm trying to be serious and mimic the way she's smiling. Guys, let me know what you think about this style. Is it beautiful? Are you gonna try it? Alright, thanks for watching. I'll be leaving now and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.